In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about inscribed angles, and it's very easy steps. You should be able to get this very easily. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the value of x? And we can see this um, structure here inside the circle, and we have some angles here and an angle here, and we need to figure out what x is. So the first step is to know that when two angles in a circle subtend the same arc, those angles are equal. So let's try to figure out what that means. So we have inscribed angles, angle N and angle T, that intercept the same arc, RS. Okay, so RS, if we go all the way around, so you could see in green here. So they intercept this arc, the same arc, okay? So they intercept here and here. So that would mean that those angles are equal. So angle N intercepts RS, arc RS. Angle T intercepts arc RS. So that means angle N equals angle T. And this is the inscribed angle theorem, another piece of it. So that means we know that angle N equals angle T. We know angle N equals 50. So let's put 50 in here. And then angle T equals x minus 2 degrees. Okay, so let's put that in. So now we can solve for x. X equals 52 degrees. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There you'll find a link to my ebook. Download the ebook and you'll find a link to this very video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.